Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm up there. Welcome again to my YouTube channel based Inspiration Kitchen. I've got many questions about breakfast. Today I have the answer, and in the next coming videos I will focus on breakfast. So I have weight loss, food, breakfast. What should I eat in the morning? And I'm gonna help you today to prepare 2 weight loss smoothie using just simple ingredients, banana and apple. So let's start this healthy, this energetic smoothies. You will really love them. So first of all, I will need for my first smoothie with apple and oat. So I will need here 3 teaspoons of oat. Easy. 1 whole apple. Just cut into the small pieces like that, and I will put them here. So I have here almond milk, so it will be lactose free, and you can do normal milk or low fat milk as you like. I have almond milk, so half a cup here. So I will need 4 dates. Just take the seeds, we don't need the seed, and put them here. So I will let them 5 minutes. This time you can do as you like. So after 5 minutes, just we need our blender, so to mix everything, and I will add another half cup of milk. Perfect. So at this moment we will let the blender do the job. Now time to serve this healthy, delicious and energetic low fat smoothie. For the second one I will need banana and oat. So same thing, 3 teaspoons of oat, 1 banana. So here banana, we need a little bit raisins. So if you don't have raisins, you can put honey. I'm gonna add cinnamon powder. I will squeeze a little bit lemon juice. Perfect. Then I will add milk. It's low fat milk. If you want, like the first one, you can make mandel or almond milk. It's ready. Now I will serve it. Perfect. Great. Oh. So here is the result. I have here 2 weight loss smoothies, one with apple and dates, another one with banana, raisins, some lemon, and also all of them with oat, using oat. This simple recipe, you can start your day with these smoothies, and in next coming videos you will see more recipes for breakfast. See you next time, another video, another recipe, and bye bye.